Lean thinking is a philosophy about how to run a business and to do it smarter, not harder. The principles of Lean with live simulation class is designed to get employees to understand Lean concepts and apply it to a manufacturing process throughout the day. In any business, the greatest enemy of profitability is waste, typically of time or money. Eliminating the 8 types of waste in your processes will result in increased output, reduction in downtime, and gives more time to perform value-added tasks that your customers are paying you for. Our Lean workshop combines classroom training with a live simulation activity where participants actually create a product using the newly learned Lean concepts. As they progress through each round of simulation with more knowledge, they begin to see the value of Lean and how it can apply to their business. This fun, hands-on experience will leave participants feeling excited about Lean. The best part is that these individuals can take this knowledge back to their own company and begin implementing the tools and concepts.
Learning the lean manufacturing, the way it could be applied is we'll evaluate the process as far as how to reduce the recall process and how we could manufacture more motors.
Companies that try Lean thinking and follow through with it see dramatic results. They see their quality go way up, lead times drops, and their cost dramatically reduced, along with capacity increases. Lean is a cultural change. It doesn't come when individuals inside the organization know something new or different. It only starts when individuals inside the organization start thinking and doing things differently. When they see things that don't add value, they stop and identify them and think about how to reduce or eliminate that activity from their value stream and how to sustain that change over time.
One of our people has been through some Lean training, and it was a good refresher course for him, but it was definitely a totally enlightening experience for me.
Very, very beneficial, very helpful. I did learn a lot. Hope to see you guys again down the road for sure. Thank you very much.
Lean is a journey, not a destination.